How to generate landscape image in Gemini, 16:9 aspect ratio fix. As you probably know, when you simply type your prompt and ask Gemini to create an image in 16:9, it doesn't always follow the aspect ratio correctly. Even if you clearly mentioned 16:9 in the prompt, the result might not come out in landscape format. So here's the exact trick you need to use. First, write your prompt as you normally would. For example, generate a giraffe eating grass. Now here's the important part. You need to upload or import a reference image that already has the aspect ratio you want. Then, in your prompt, tell Gemini to use the uploaded picture as the reference for the final aspect ratio. That's the key. So, if you want a 16:9 landscape image, make sure the image you upload is already in 16:9. If you want 9:16, upload a 9:16 image instead. Gemini will follow the aspect ratio of the reference image, not just the text instruction. And as you can see, the generated image now comes out in landscape format. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.